Hello everyone, and welcome to aiyksource. I'm Ai, and I want to particularly tell you that by being here, you've made the right choice. This is because we are going to be learning a lot of fun stuff together in this new series which we are just launching. We'll be learning how to build a staff profile management system from scratch to finish. This series that we'll be building is going to be more involving. I haven't built the system before. I actually haven't figured out how it's gonna add up, how it's gonna shape up. All of this is going to happen as we design. We are going to figure out these things together. It won't be just me building. At some point, if you feel there are things that should be added, you can always leave your comments down below and they'll be duly noted. Also, I'll be building a GitHub repo for this project, and for every video tutorial that we make for this, I'm going to upload the source files on GitHub. You can go ahead and download these source files, or you can download it here, edit it as you wish, make your changes. If you have any different point of view, make these changes. If there are corrections too that you feel is to be made to the system, if I make any silly mistakes, you make these changes on GitHub, send in your commits, and we are going to look at all of these things together. In today's video, we are going to set the ball rolling. So basically all we'll be doing is to build our file structure system, put in images that we'll be using, at least those that we know we'll be using for now, basically a logo, and that's it. So I want to use this opportunity to encourage you guys to subscribe on this channel. It's actually not just a channel, it's a community. And by that I mean that it's a place where people interact, where people share ideas. Now if you're not subscribed, you can't do that, so I would invite you to subscribe, join the community. Let's work together and make a definite difference. Like I mentioned earlier, you go ahead and leave out comments of your thoughts, of your questions, and whatever you need clarification on. You go ahead and leave out comments underneath the videos. Ensure that you create a GitHub account so that you can contribute on these videos, on these tutorials. You can actively contribute and send in your contribution. It's duly gonna be appreciated and noted. Okay, I can do better. I'm actually going to make semi-video tutorials on every contribution that is made, that is worth looking at, and then I'll commit it into the system. Also, I'd want to encourage you guys to like our videos and share them with your friends, share them with whoever you think should see. Anyone who you know deserves to know what you're doing, deserves to share in the knowledge we give out. Share these videos with them so that a greater number of persons is reached. So for the file structure, I'm going to open my local computer. On my local disk, I'm going to locate my one folder and then locate the www folder. In here I'm going to create a new folder, and I'll call it staff management system. So I'll just abbreviate staff management system. So that's SMS. Nice. Alright. In staff management system, first of all, I'm going to create a folder. Now call it core. In here I'm going to have my core files, the files that do the major functionality for the system, things like connection to database, general functions, and things like that. So all the core files I'll be needing would sit in this folder. Secondly, I want to create a folder for my styling. I'll call it CSS. And next I'm gonna create a folder where all of my images I'm gonna sit for the system, call it images. Then I'm going to create a folder for my includes, all the files that I want to include at some point. I'm gonna sit in here. Then I also want to create a JavaScript folder, and finally an SQL folder. Where we are going to save our SQL tables and libraries. Well, that's it for today's video. In the next video, we are going to create a database, make connection to this database, code our SQL tables, the tables that we'll be needing for the database, at least the user table. And then as we build, if there's a need for any table, we code it and import it into the database. So for the next tutorial, we'll deal with the members table. We'll create the members table and import it into our database. I want to once again encourage you to please subscribe, make comments, get on GitHub and make your contributions, share and like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.